In less than 24 hours, a former youth pastor facing new child sex charges could walk out of federal custody on a $60,000 bond. But Lindsay Whiteside would be under strict conditions while she waits for her trial. She's charged with transporting a minor across state lines for sex. ABC 24's Ezekiel Telemaco was in court in Oxford today. Ezekiel, attorneys also revealed new details in the case.
That's right, Pepper. Prosecutors laid out where they say the crimes happened, along with those new conditions, and Whiteside is required to follow if she awaits trial at home.
I think she should be in jail. She doesn't need to stay out here.
Alleged family members of Whiteside's victim reacting to a federal judge's decision Tuesday to grant Lindsay Whiteside a $60,000 unsecured bond. On October 23rd, a federal grand jury returned an indictment charging the former youth pastor and basketball coach with 3 counts. 2 of them are for transporting a minor across state lines for the purpose of engaging in sexual activity, and the 3rd is for coercion and enticement. In court, Deputy Miranda Fox with the DeSoto County Sheriff's Office, who serves as a case agent, testified that count 1 is connected to a trip where Whiteside allegedly took the victim to a speaking engagement in Nashville. Count 2, she said, involved another trip to Atlanta, Georgia to visit one of Whiteside's family members. A federal magistrate judge set her pretrial conditions.
I have great respect for Judge Verdon. She's a very seasoned judge, and I think she did the right thing. I think she did the right thing. The main thing is that we've got our client hopefully out who will be able to assist us in the preparation of our defense. That's the key.
Whiteside will be under 24-hour supervision and placed on house arrest. She is not allowed to leave her home except to attend church or to go to doctor's appointments, and cannot step off of her porch to go into her front yard. Whiteside is also barred from having guns, drugs, or excessive alcohol, and must take random drug tests. The federal judge ordered for Whiteside to submit all of her electronic devices for inspection. She is barred from contacting the victim, their family, or anyone connected to the case. The judge also banned Whiteside from having any contact with minors unless a parent is present and the court approves it in advance. She also must report any contact with law enforcement to the court. Federal prosecutors requested a stay of the ruling while they consider an appeal. That means that Whiteside will remain in federal custody for at least 24 hours while the government decides whether to challenge the judge's decision.
There's a 24-hour stay, but we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Thank you.
And you know what that means. That means the government's going to try to appeal this magistrate judge's ruling.
Whiteside will also have to find another place to stay, and that's because the judge says that her current address does not meet the sex offender registry requirements. Now, Whiteside will need to move out by November 16th. Live in studio, I'm Ezekiel Telemaco.